Alright, I'm doing another bike check because I haven't done one for a while, so might as well just do one, because, yeah, okay. Well, I have ODI long neck grips, they're running fine, I like them, really good. Yeah. Fit Northwest bars, had them for a while, they're running good. I have a Shadow Conspiracy Attack top load stem. I like it. It's fine. I like the top load. 2 carbon fiber spacers, a Eastern headset cap, and I have a WeThePeople bearing on top and a Flybikes on the bottom. Because I have 2 different ones. I don't know why, but I have fit flow forks. I'm getting Shivs next week. So those won't be on there for a long time. I'm getting a new rim sometime, wheel, I don't know, not for a while, but in a bit. I have, it's an Alienation plain black rim, so it's good, I guess. It's still holding up. Have a Shadow Conspiracy 1 peg on the front and on the back, so, yeah. My frame is the Fit Hawk V1 frame, first one, not second. Let's see if you can see the fit. Yeah, it's the first Hawk. I had a pivotal seat, but I lost Seatpost, so I have this Wolf one, the Odyssey one, on here. The Nightwolf one with a fit post. I have Eastern cranks. They're nice and light, I guess. Shadow Conspiracy Nostra pedals or something like that. Have a WeThePeople Supreme Sprocket 28 tooth. Got a red chain that was spray painted so it looks like crap, so I'm getting a new one. On the back I have a sun rim. I don't know what it is, I can just only make out sun rim on the back. Got some crazy hub that I've had forever. It had to fix it a couple times, but it's fine now. Hasn't been acting dumb lately. I don't know what it is, like an Alienation or something. Who knows? Running fit tubes on both. Fit FAF tire on the back, and I don't know what this tire is. No idea what it is. So I don't think I missed anything. That's my bike. Nothing really special. Forks suck. Guess getting Shivs though. But it's good. I like it. I don't know the weight, but I'll figure that out when I do my next bike check. I'll tell you what it is. Thanks for watching. Comment, rate, subscribe, whatever. Yeah.